have an awesome video for you today.
These are my magic sunnies. I will put them on, command something to do whatever I wish. Here I go. Board, come. Hey, do you know how I did that? It wasn't Magic Sunnies. It was actually this app called Stop Motion. I will show you how to use it. You move a little bit and take a picture. You move a little bit more, you take a picture. You move a little bit more, you take a picture. That's how it works.
Stop motion is a form of animation. In this form of animation, you take lots of photos and play it so fast that the human eye is tricked that the frames are continuous and make a movie. When you use a human subject, it is called pixelation. But you can also use your toys and bring them to life. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. Bye bye!